Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Dodge Ram 1500 tail light. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have your new tail light assembly on hand. Working in a well-lit area is crucial for safety and to clearly see what you are doing. This simple repair can be done quickly with the right preparation. Now let's remove the old tail light. Begin by opening your truck's tailgate. This provides access to the two retaining screws. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove both of these screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back, away from the truck's body. It should slide out without much force, revealing the wiring harness. With the old light removed, it's time for the new one. First, disconnect the wiring harness from the old tail light by pressing the release tab and pulling. Then, connect this same wiring harness to your new tail light assembly, ensuring it clicks securely. Carefully align the new assembly with the mounting holes on your truck and push it firmly into place until it sits flush. To finish up, reinstall the two retaining screws you removed earlier, securing the new tail light assembly firmly to the truck. Once it's fastened, hop in your truck and test all the light functions, the brake lights, reverse lights, and turn signals, to ensure everything works correctly. You've successfully replaced your tail light. Remember to check the description below for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.